Hi everyone, I'm Krysta from the SALUS Customer Success Team. Today, I want to show you how to use Rosie, your AI safety assistant built right into SALUS. If you caught our first video, you've already met her. So now let's talk about how to get the most out of her each and every day. Whether you're a general contractor managing multiple sites and trades, or a subcontractor focused on keeping your crew compliant and protected, Rosie was built for you. Here's a problem Rosie was built to solve. The proof you need to defend safety claims, pass audits, and demonstrate compliance to the GCs above you or the owners above them, it lives scattered across multiple forms, devices, photos, and disconnected systems. And when you need that data, pulling it together takes hours that you simply just don't have. And two things that make it even worse, crews won't capture that data in high friction tools, so you're only getting a fraction of what actually happened on site. And communicating standards down to every crew is so admin heavy, it rarely happens consistently. Rosie, she fixes all of that. She makes it frictionless for crews to capture, keeps you ahead of compliance issues across every site and every project, and when a claim lands or an audit hits, assembles your evidence in minutes instead of days. Using simple tasks such as, what risk should I focus on today? Which sites have not submitted safety forms this week? Create me a toolbox talk from recent incidences. It's that simple. No more digging, no stitching systems together, just answers in seconds. That's what makes Rosie so different. She handles the admin, and she helps you lead smarter, whether you're overseeing 14 sites or running one crew. All right, let me show you how to get to Rosie. Once you've logged into SALUS, you'll find Rosie right here in your main navigation. Just click on Rosie and you're in. You'll land here in the Rosie chat interface. Think of it like a direct line of safety assistant who's always available, already knows your sites and data, and never forgets to follow up. From here, you can start a conversation, pull up a saved task, or jump right into whatever you need. Now, I wanted to spend a few moments on how to work best with Rosie. Because like any other great team member, the more you engage with her, the better the output you'll get. First and foremost, the best tip that I can give is be specific. The more context you give Rosie, the faster she delivers something you can actually use. So instead of using a task or a prompt such as write me a safety plan, try write a site-specific safety plan for a high-rise structural phase using our corporate template with updated hazard sections for crane and working at heights. The more detail you give, the project scope, the regulatory environment, the company standards, the better the output. Next, start with a prompt. And if you don't have one, utilize the prompt library. If you're not sure where to begin, just don't start with a blank screen. Open that prompt library in your Help Center. By clicking on the Knowledge Center, you will see the article is packed with ready-to-use prompts for the most common safety tasks. Copy one, customize it to your project, and you're off and running. Next, use Save Tasks. If you find yourself asking Rosie the same thing each and every day, week, or month, it could be a weekly inspection report, a toolbox talk for a specific crew, or your monthly certificate compliance. Save it as a task. That way, you're not rewriting the same prompt each and every time. One click, and Rosie is already on it. To create or view your saved tasks, you're going to navigate to the far right-hand corner of your screen. Click on Save Tasks, and from here, you will see a library of your saved tasks, or by creating a new one in the plus blue button located at the top of your screen. Here's something I want to make sure everyone hears clearly. Your feedback is how Rosie learns. Every time you use Rosie, you can rate her responses with a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's how Rosie gets smarter, more specific to your industry, your workflows, and your sites. If her response is too off, tell her. If it's great, tell her that too. The more feedback we collect, the more Rosie improves, and that benefits every SALUS customer. Think of it like onboarding a new hire. The more you show them, the better they get. And last but not least, iterate with her. You don't have to get it perfect on the first message. Start a conversation, ask her to adjust the tone, add a section, shorten something, or format it with your core template. Rosie is built for back and forth. And we know getting started with something new can feel like a lot. So we've built out resources to help you hit the ground running. Here, by simply now searching Rosie, you will see a full walkthrough of features, use cases, and how Rosie fits into your existing workflows. As mentioned, the prompt library is going to be curated of a collection of prompts for the most common safety tasks: inspection reports, safety plans, incident documentation. It's all there ready to copy and customize. The links are also in the description below. Bookmark them. The prompt library alone will save you a lot of time. And if you ever get stuck or have questions, our support team is available via phone, email, or chat. However you prefer to reach us, we're here to help. I'll be honest with you. The thing I hear most from teams when they first try Rosie is simply, I wish I'd done it sooner. She's not here to replace your safety professionals. She's here to give them back their time. So they're on site, not behind a desk, building relationships with crews and solving real problems instead of chasing paperwork. Whether you're running 14 sites or one crew, the work is the same. The paperwork is the same, and Rosie handles it the same way. So my ask is simple. Just try it. Ask her what risks to focus on today. Have her draft your next toolbox talk. Pick one thing and see what comes back. You don't have to be a tech expert. You don't have to have it all figured out. Rosie is built to be useful from day one, and we're here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions, reach out to our SALUS support team. We're here to help you, and we're genuinely excited for you to meet her. All right, go say hi to Rosie. She's ready when you are.